Hi, my name is Mitchell Mears. Welcome to World Asphalt 2013. I'm a paving and milling specialist for Bomag of Americas. Today we're going to look at our BM 1200-2. It's the new version of this mill. It's 300 horsepower, 275 actually. I'm going to start with this side of the mill. I'm going to show you some features and benefits of this mill. The first thing I'd like to show you is inside this door, which is a tool compartment. Okay, you have three switches here. Okay, the first one's for auxiliary hydraulic power. The second one is to release the park brake in case you break down or you need to get out of the cut or something. We can release the torque hubs, tow it up out of the cut. Can't tow it down the road, but you can get up out of the cut, get off the road so you don't have to have a crane. That's the second switch. The third switch is actually the canopy. Right behind me, right here to my right, you will see the water fill compartment. Okay, there's 300 gallons of water. We can lock onto the water truck or to the fire hydrant to fill the water for the milling operation of it. In this control panel here, you'll see, okay, you'll see the front breaker bar. That's up movement. In the float, this is the rear side shoe, okay? So this is the grade shoe for the left side of the mill. Horn, EStop. There's 5 EStops total on the mill. That way, if you ever get into a situation that you can't control or you see something that's about to go bad, it's a safety feature. You simply just hit the EStop and it's game over. It shuts the mill down, shuts everything off. That's what's in this corner. So everything you see on the ground, you'll be able to see up on the top as well. So you can operate from the ground or the top. This function here is my hydraulic pressure for my front breaker door. So if I'm picking up a lot of loose mix or something I want to hold some pressure down on, I can adjust it here. Water gauge tells me when my tank's full, tells me as it starts to deter down to get to another water truck to fill back up again. So there's 2 conveyors. There's a collecting conveyor that you see down below here. That goes to the loading conveyor, loads on the truck. It is a folding conveyor. It's folded manually by hand. Takes about 2 minutes with 2 people. You need a guy on the ground, a guy on the top. We're going to go to the other side of the mill and I'll show you the features and benefits of that side. Okay, we move to the right side of the mill now. A lot of functions you see on this side were real similar to the front of the other side. There's one thing I do want to point out. We bring most of our mills in with a high pressure washdown and a canopy, and this work door is the high pressure washdown. Here's the hose, the hookup, and the switch to turn it on. It's run off water. That way every day we have some way to wash down and keep our maintenance where it should be as far as wear and tear and grease. If you're wondering what this red leg is right here, it's a safety leg. They want me to put it down every time, and we're all about safety, so you want to lower it down. That way the mill, if it does release, it won't go down on you. It'll only catch on the drum, and this safety leg, this is strictly just a safety leg is all it is. It goes in that position when you go underneath the mill to work on it. Right here, I'd like to show you the water, okay? This valve right here controls the water bar to the back of the drum. This valve right here controls the 2 spray nozzle bar to the collecting conveyor, helps control the silica dust, and makes the operator more comfortable to work. Once again, spray can, water bottle, whatever a guy chooses. Same level indicator for water, 300 gallons of water. Level indicators on each side so that the ground guy knows when he's out or the operator on the top side knows when he's out. This control panel you see here is exactly like it is on the left side. Okay, we have the horn, we have the grade shoe up and down, we have the front breaker bar up and down, and emergency EStop. That's this control panel. As I said on the other side, this is all controlled from the top as well. This is a center slung mill. So what we're saying is the drum is mounted in the center of the mill for 2 reasons, okay? It allows us for tractive effort around corners and to be more accurate in what we're doing. Okay, it's controlled off a yo-yo sensor and yo-yo wire. This would be the yo-yo sensor. This is called the yo-yo wire. It's a 4-foot average, so that's how we know how we're keeping our grade and holding our grade. So when you're milling, you have the start of the cut is the back of your drum, and the end of your cut is the beginning of your drum. So it's a little bit opposite of paving. As you see the red marks down here on the drum, that's depth indicators. So the start point and end point for depth. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And up here on the top, we have rear leg indicators, so we know exactly where our depth is, where we're going to start, where we're going to end. We're going to move to the back, and I'm going to show you the grade control box. One of the features I'd like to show you back here in the back is in the battery door. Here's your 2 batteries. Right here is a potentiometer switch for your tracking. If you get it, allow you to adjust your tracks, rear tracks only, to 5 degrees. So if it starts doglegging one side or the other side, you can adjust it 5 degrees here, straighten it back out. Once it goes past the 5 degree mark, so once you get past this side or that side to it, then we'll have to reset it, and we can show you that in a later video. Okay, so in closing from the World Asphalt for 2013, my name is Mitchell Mears. I'm a paving and milling specialist for Bomag Americas. This was a quick walk around of our BM 1200-30-2, the newest model we have. In closing, I'd say buy the Bomag. It's the real deal. Thanks.